Welcome to Sapthagiri NPS University. Let us talk about placements today. Dear students, as you prepare to embark on your professional journey, we understand the importance of securing meaningful employment opportunities upon graduation. At Sapthagiri NPS University, we are committed to supporting you in your career aspirations through our comprehensive placement procedure. Before the placement process begins, our career services team organizes various workshops, seminars, and skill building sessions to enhance your employability. These activities cover resume writing, interview preparation, communication skills, and industry specific knowledge. We collaborate closely with a diverse range of companies, both national and international, across various industries. Our placement team actively engages with these organizations to understand their hiring requirements and facilitate recruitment drives on our campus. To participate in the placement process, students are required to register with the Career Services Office and provide relevant information including academic transcripts, resume, and preferences for job roles and industries too. As job opportunities become available, the Career Services team notifies students through our online portal. Students can then review job descriptions, research participating companies, and submit their applications accordingly. Prior to the recruitment trials, participating companies often conduct pre-placement talks on campus to provide insights into their organization culture, job roles, and career growth opportunities. Subsequently, shortlisted candidates may be invited for interviews either on campus or off campus. Following the interview process, companies extend a job offer to successful candidates. Students have the opportunity to evaluate these offers based on factors such as job profile, compensation, location, and career prospectus before making their decisions. Our career services team continues to provide support and guidance to students throughout the placement process, including negotiating job offers, resolving queries, and addressing any concerns. We maintain transparent placement records, documenting the placement statistics and outcomes for each graduating batch. These records serve as a testament to the success of our placement process and the achievements of our alumni. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Re